won't be able to see it. Oh yeah, I will. Do we have like a flashlight?
Yeah.
Can we use your thing, Dad? Can you use your flashlight on yours?
My phone doesn't have a flashlight.
Does it? Yeah, it looks like poop. What the heck? It's just, oh cool, it twirls.
It's growing. It's growing every day. Grows when we light it.
It does look like poop.
How much is growing?
I know.
Keeps coming.
It looks like what we lit poop on fire.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Especially in the camera, Brooke. Look at it. Come here. It looks like the fire's pooping.
Pooping out of hell. Coming out of the ground. On fire.
Oh my gosh, it's so much. Should I put this on YouTube?
It's like
whoa, look how high it's going. Ew!
That's the sound for it.
It's done.
Whoa. Dad, put your flashlight on it real quick.
I don't have a flashlight, I told you.
Well, just point your phone at it. So
Like
I
your
can
phone
see.
light.